Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be talking about all the house plants in my living room. This living room is east facing and receives good amount of sunlight, especially post 2 o'clock, and it goes up to 4 at 4:35 sometimes. I'm not very sure of the timings because the place is new, so I am still to observe a lot. And this is east facing, so I've always been blessed with east sunlight, and that has really helped me grow a lot of my house plants. So here I have a gigantic snake plant. This is from my mama's collection, this is not mine. So I have taken a lot of plants into my custody. I've placed this here so it gives a nice look between the two curtains, the two pair of curtains, the door and the windows. It gives a good division between the two and is quite huge, quite huge, gigantic. In this side, I have Erica palm. This again, these both of them are from my mama's collection only. There's a big, huge song of India, and this one is an Erica palm. So these plants are doing amazingly well, and they get good sunlight here, as you can see. And I'm hoping that they do fairly well with me also. Coming on to this table, I have an aloe vera variety here, which I got from Dehradun, and this as well is quite pretty. I do need to share and put up a plant haul with you guys. I've been collecting a lot of things lately. Then moving towards this side, I have an aglonema. I don't know the variety. I don't know the name of this particular variant. Next to it is a ZZ plant, and just below that we have a cryptanthus. They get good sunlight here. They get good indirect sunlight and they're doing well. I don't have to put them out. All these plants, because they're very huge. I'm yet to color the pots, but otherwise they're doing very well. On this flooring shelf, I have a neon pothos. Talking about this plant shelf, let me take you closer. Firstly, I have a macrame hanger here. I have not put all of my macrames because I don't want them to get dirty. Allahabad, there's a lot of dust. So एक ही लगाया इसमें एक छोटा सा I've put a pot, this little pot I've put, and I've put some water in it, and I've put these cuttings of money plant, which not all are doing good. I'll have to take a look at that. And this is an old shoe rack of my father that has been reutilized as a plant rack sort of. I'm very minimalistic, so basically what I do is if I keep all the plants outside, there's hardly anything in the room, so there's very little to dust and keep. That's the best thing. I have a syngonium over there. Then there's a dwarf snake plant. This particular is a Traders Candia variety. I'm not remembering the name. Then again, some money plant in water, ZZ. This is a parlor palm or table palm. My calathea is actually in a very different state. It used to be quite bushy, I think, so I need to report this. My calathea is here. Then this is a red imperial philodendron. Guys, I need to do a haul video. I've been collecting quite good amount of plants. I've been getting good collection in Allahabad as well. I did not expect I would get a good philodendron, that too red imperial, something like that. Even I wasn't aware, and this is not very common when I searched it on Instagram as well. And here there's some Traders Candia variety again. This is turtle vine. Below this is again the money plant. Then I have some cactus from the wild. I got that from Mount Abu. And then again here another variant of cactus. I don't know the names. I'm not familiar with the names. I did not search them yet. Then here I have an Erica palm on a stool. This is a small Erica palm. It's yet to grow huge. And even huge varieties in Allahabad, they were quoting fairly good manageable prices like 300. You can get a good long huge Erica palm. Then there's a neon pothos below, and this is a jade. So why have I kept mostly money plant and plants like these? Because whether you keep them outside or inside for long won't matter much. Yes, direct light may you don't keep them, but otherwise they are doing very well. So even if you fail to keep them outside, because I'm a very busy mom right now, it helps me to manage that. Here again, I have three planters with some snake plants, and snake plants are again very easy to take care of. Thank you so much for watching. If you've liked the video, do give us a like, subscribe if you like such content, and don't forget to share with your friends. See you all soon. Bye bye.